Being shy is not something bad. In fact, many of us are shy to some degree. But what if your shyness becomes so intensive and extreme that makes you hypersensitive to negative judgments and causes social isolation? This is what frequently seen in avoidant personality disorder. Individuals with avoided personality are extraordinarily shy, avoid speaking up in social situations, have low self-confidence, have problem making friends and interact with others with great difficulty, all resulting from excess social anxiety. Diagnosis of all types of personality disorders is no easy task, warranting an interview by a trained mental health professional. In general, according to the 5th edition of Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders or DSM-5, people with avoidant personality styles are characterized by extensive avoidance of social interaction, driven by fears of rejection and feelings of personal inadequacy. Besides, DSM-5 provides a checklist of 7 diagnostic criteria for avoidant personality. The first thing is that these people avoid any work requiring significant social contact, due to fears of being rejected, criticized, embarrassed, judged or humiliated. Because of that, they easily lose educational opportunities and often refuse to get promotion in their job. As it is clear, this criterion only applies to work or school environment. The second criterion is that avoided personality people are reluctant to interact or get involved with others unless certain of being accepted. That's because such people believe that others are disapproving or unkind. So, they refuse to have social interaction, unless there are clear signs of acceptance and approval. Next criterion is showing restrained or inhibited behavior in close relationships, owing to fears of shame or ridicule. This is as a result of being extremely afraid of criticism. In fact, such people presume that, if they were intimately known by others, they would be definitely mocked or rejected. Before going through the rest of the video, if you found this video informative, please like it, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell to get notified when new episodes are released. The fourth criterion is being preoccupied with fears of receiving criticism, disapproval or rejection in social settings. This highlights how sensitive they are to rejection and criticism. Sometimes they are so sensitive that consider the slightest tease as ridicule. Next is being shy and inhibited in new interpersonal situations, due to feelings of inadequacy and not being good enough. Unfortunately, their overly negative self-evaluation doesn't let others know them well enough. Besides, they think that others are smarter, more successful and more attractive. Such irrational thoughts and beliefs make them feel inadequate. The sixth criterion is feeling inferior to others, or socially inept, mainly based on low self-esteem. This simply highlights the person's negative view about themselves. Due to low self-esteem, people with avoidant personality styles think that others judge or evaluate them negatively. The last characteristic is to be unwilling to try new things, or engage in new activities for fear of being ashamed, embarrassed or humiliated. They prefer not to start conversations, and not to call attention to themselves. Keep in mind that the presence of at least 4 out of 7 criteria is essential to make the diagnosis of avoidant personality disorder. In short, all symptoms of people with avoided personality are due to intense fear of being rejected, criticized, embarrassed, judged or humiliated. Besides, remember that these criteria are just applicable to adults and not children. In general, avoidant personality disorder is not commonly diagnosed in individuals younger than 18 years. Thanks for your watching. Please let me know the pediatric issues you are willing to learn. Write them down below in the comments for me. Farewell.